Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to record this, but check this out. Easy out. M2C shaft snapped off here, as you are aware, on my Outcast 12S. And check this out, y'all. Put a little weight on there. Had to drill in a little bit. Check it out. Zoom in, phone. Look at that, boys and girls. Oh, lost it. There it is. Oh, it don't even matter now. I can get a hold of it anyway. Check it out, y'all. That baby was snapped off flush. Look at this. You drill down in there, get you a hole, 1/4 inch deep, and look at that. Pulled it right out. Now I should be able to get right. Check it out, y'all. It's off there. Get that shock shaft down there, broke one. Yep, get there. Look at that, y'all. Snapped right flush off at the thing. That's where it broke. At the threads. There it is, though. Boom. We're gonna slap a new one in there, and we'll be back in business. Let's get her on there. I'll show y'all back on the truck. Yeah, y'all. If you guys are curious, this is what I'm using. And like I said, you see one end has got that. You put that end up here top, and you grind out your hole down in a 1/4 inch. Then you put in the end with the teeth there, and it grabs a hold in reverse and pulls it out. Get you set, y'all. Speed out. Like that. This over here. Like that. Don't go in very far. Just square that one in all the way on the other one. It ain't going in all the way now, though. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. That could be nice. Anyway, there's that part back on. Now I gotta pull the top part of the shock off, put the shock back together. Yep. All right, y'all, so the reason this happened, I'm blaming RPM shocks. They have no droop right here, you see? It lets the thing come clear up in. The regular ones have the plastic here that you can set your droop. These have none, so when you raise this truck up, it fully extends all the way down as far as it can, like that right there, which is no good. It should be stopping like right here. Not letting it full extend. And also when I hit, guys, I hit on power. When I hit that last jump, I came down, I tried to level it out, and I tapped the throttle right at the last second, and I slammed back on 12S on right at the last possible second. So that's why it snapped off. But we got a new one on there, boys and girls, and we're getting ready to rip her. We'll see you tomorrow with a video with this baby sailing again.